So we're up to about this point. We've cut the holes in it and filled a couple of extra gaps here and there. I've mixed my slate nine up. I'm just going to start painting shit on. Okay, that's enough of me painting. I'll let you know when I'm done. Quick video, just finished coating all of it with the Satanite. This is the first one. I'll do probably another 2, so 3 total, and then some RTZ. So a bit of an update to see where we're at for the furnace. So I've done the first coating of Satanite and it's all nice and relatively hard now. I'll do the next one, which is kind of going to be a thin one like the first one, and then the last one, so the third one, is going to actually cover everything properly. The things I haven't included in the video is the cutting of the center port hole and the cutting of the burner hole. For both of those, I essentially just grabbed my hole saw bits and pretty much put them on the drill, and then you can see this is where the original line of it was. After some recommendations of like trying to keep the fire in the furnace, I'm just going to do this port a little smaller than it originally was. That way I can also protect all of this extra steel, which is all fucked up and crumbling. And then for the smaller one, I checked the orifice and just went in with another hole saw, went all the way through to make that one. I did start off going slow. I had it hooked up with the drill, so I had it going slow to start off with. I felt it make the initial cut and then just went straight through it. And all of the leftovery goodness is in here. Fuck, lost my pencil. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. We're just done with the second coat. Getting all that on there. Filling up all the gaps and little white dots I see. In part one, you'll see me like using one of these. This is literally only because I could find one of these in my shop. I did manage to, however, find one of these. So if you have something like this, an 1.5" 38mm brush, use this instead. It's a lot more helpful. But when you get to the burner orifice, this is where this comes into play, because you can really reach in there and just dab it around. I thought I'd do it now while I actually remember to do it. So whilst it's drying, it's firming up after the second layer. Further down in the chamber, it does get a bit wetter, of course. It is quite a warm day here in Australia, so. But for the thermocouple that you're going to be putting in, You could put in one of these ceramic style ones, if I can get it out of the bloody bag, which is more this bone looking stuff. But you also have the option to do one of these style thermocouples. It's gonna focus with that little tip. Little tip. But fuck, where did it actually go? The scheduled programming. So doing the hole in the spot. So this is where the Devil Forge banner or thing is like put on. Just take one screw out and then use like a drill bit or something to pilot your hole, and then you can put your thermocouple in. This is an S-type thermocouple, but you can do your other type of thermocouples if you don't intend getting so hot in here. So yeah, it's currently curing the second layer, but we'll make this hole in the side of it. A bit of an update. This is about halfway dried to about here. So the top's completely dried, and same with the lid. So I've already done a coating of RTZ. I'm just going to put RTZ everywhere. That's where the thermocouple's coming through. But yeah, getting there. So a bit of an update. So that's actually really good. You can see just in this line here, everything under that hasn't dried yet, but the top and the lid have both dried. So I've RTZ'd that one, and it's already, oh, I was going to say, oh, there you go, some cracks. It's already started cracking, and I've patched a couple cracks. I want one good layer at least, and then I've just done this top. It is pretty warm in, like I said, pretty warm here in Australia right now. So this is pretty much expected for all this to be cracking. Another quick video update. It's all cured for the most part, well, dry. So I'm adding my coat of RTZ. And you can see where it's all white. I've got just that bottom section to go. Another video update of the furnace. It's now all being coated in RTZ. You need to get a nice fine brush in there to do the round on the inside of the burner tube where the material is about an inch thick. Helpful to get at from both sides. Other than that, she's a hell of a lot closer and pretty hard already. So, last update almost for this one. All the RTZ has pretty much dried up. Got a bit of cracking, which is alright. It's feeling nice now. The cracking is very minor, so a little bit more drying and then we're done. Just getting some very light flame in. Loaded, she's in there, and we have 1.59% ish. Still climbing. So the camera's not picking it up very well. Oh, there we go. You can actually see the black light. Oh, it's gone. The black light in the crucible. That means crucible's not up to heat yet.